Hello guys, so in this video we will see about our product, that is product kit, right? So basically it is providing a product combo kind of functionality in which you can define one product as a kit, and in that particular product you can define several kinds of sub products. Okay, basically the grouping of sub products, right? So the main advantage is when you will create a mechanical kit, tool kit, or like an iPhone kit, so this kit kind of products you can easily configure, and accordingly when a sales orders will be created, and based on that, on the delivery order will be generated. So on those delivery orders, these sub products will be automatically get divided, right? Then the other use for this module is, then when any customer will return this particular product kit, then the system will want them to return all the sub products at once, right? And after allowing all the sub products, and when the customer will return all the sub products, then the system will allow to return a product kit from that customer, right? And when we want to use this product from e-commerce shop also, then we can easily able to use this, right? So these are the advantages, these are different kind of advantages of our product kit module. And our module compatibility is community edition. We can also use our module on enterprise edition as well as on odoo.sh, right? So this is all about some description of our module product kit. Now let's begin with our module functionality. So as you can see that on this product template, we have already defined one product named mechanical toolkit, right? And in which we have defined use as kit option enabled, right? So when you will enable this option, a system will ask you to define several kinds of sub products over here, right? So we have also defined some sub products, like as you can see in this mechanical toolkit, there are various kinds of sub products are already there, their related quantities and all of this, and we have already defined their quantities on hand in the system as well. All right, now let's create a sales order for this particular mechanical toolkit, and let's see the variation. Okay, let's go to the quotations. Let's create one sales quotation over here, select the customer and select product like this, one quantity. All right, now I am just confirming this sales order. So one delivery order has been successfully generated. Now you will be able to see that in this delivery order, as per sub products we had already configured, system will automatically give all these sub products with related quantities. Those are already defined on product template, right? And here I will just validate this like this. Okay, okay, so we have done this delivery order. Now let's go back again on this sales order. Let's print this, so you will be also able to see the sales order format. So this is my main product mechanical toolkit that is ordered by customer. So their sub components, their sub products are already visible over here, okay, in this sales order report, right? Whenever we will also print the delivery slip for that, so you will be also able to see that these all sub products are already defined over here on delivery order also. All right, now when we will generate the invoice, suppose like this, create invoice. All right, now let's see this invoice print view. So here in this invoice print view, you will be also able to see main product and a group of sub products over here. Okay, so like this we have also done this kind of changes. and let's confirm it. All right, now go back with this delivery order and let's return it. Okay, so system will automatically define all the group of sub products here by default. So in case when any customer wants to only return only one sub product, then system will prompt him or her. Let's see that. Just delete the rest of these sub products and return. Okay, you can see this, please return all kit products. So whenever customer will return all of sub products, then system will only allow him or her to return a product kit. All right, so like this, these are some functionalities we have developed for our product kit module. Okay, and we can use the same functionality by Odoo website side from e-commerce module as well, right? So this is all about this modules functionality. Thank you so much for watching this video.